Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAS Viya for analytics and ML detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for your SAS Viya instance. Press the enter key to navigate to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the option or button indicating this feature. If using single sign-on, click it to be redirected to your organization's authentication page. After entering your credentials on the authentication page, confirm your login. Once your credentials are accepted, you will be directed back to SAS Viya. Allow a moment for the dashboard to load completely. Upon successful login, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Look for the navigation menu located on the left side of the screen. Explore various options such as analytics, modeling, and reports. To begin a new project, click on the New button, select the type of project or task you wish to perform. Follow the prompts provided to set up your project. If you experience any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Additionally, ensure that your username and password are correct. If the problem persists, contact your IT support for assistance. You are now ready to utilize SAS Viya for your analytics and machine learning tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.